Today we are going to start our new computer subject of second standard. In that the first lesson is what is a computer. In last year we have studied about the introductory part about the computer. In second standard we are going to study all the parts of the computer. Okay. In that first of all you have to write down all the difficult words in your notebooks. Okay. After that, just first of all we will know that what is a computer. Okay. In last year we have studied that the computer is the machine which carried out the different kinds of operations. What kind of operations? Just like a calculation, any kind of printing, any kind of job which we will assign to the computer. Which will carry out all the operations, all the tasks. Okay, that means it will very useful to us as well as any kind of human beings. Okay, in this lesson we are going to start the computer's part. In that we have also last year studied that what kind of the parts computer has. In that, first of all, these are the parts of the computer. First one is the keyboard. Second one is the monitor. This is the CPU. This is the mouse. These are the speakers, and as usual, this is the printer. Then, in that we will see what are the uses of the parts of the computer. In that, the monitor, what is the use of the monitor? Monitor is which display device which displays any input which will be given to the computer. That means monitor will show us whatever what are we doing what we are doing. That means it will shows to us. Okay. What is the use of keyboard? To type anything or to give the input to the computer, we will use the keyboard. That means if you want to type your name, your address, or any kind of the numbers, you can use the keyboard as an input device. Okay. What is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device. Pointing device, that means it points out or it will select any icon on the machine. Okay. What is CPU? CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. As its name suggests that the processing unit, that means it processes all the data which will you give to the computer. That means if you are doing the calculation, for example, if you are adding the two digits, first one 5 plus 3. Okay, that means what operation you will do? Addition, that means plus. Okay, then this processing will be done in the central processing unit. That means 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Then when you use the input as a 5 and 3 and you will add this, the processor will process the addition and it will give the answer to you. That means CPU will process the data. Okay. After that, speaker. Speaker, you know that the speaker will give the output of the voice. That means whatever, if you want to listen to any music, then you can listen this music by using speakers. Okay. Printer. What is printer? Printer is nothing but the output device. It will give the printed output of any document. That means if you are writing any document in the computer and we want that document in the hard copy. Hard copy means the printed copy. That means printer will give us the printed copy of any document. Have you understood that? Okay. Then we will revise that what are the parts of the computer. First of all, parts of the computer. These are the parts. First one, monitor. Second one, CPU. Third one, keyboard, mouse, speaker, and printer. before that, we will must know that what is the computer. Computer is nothing but a machine which will carry out or which will does any calculation or any task which will assign to it. Okay, have you understood it? Okay, then open page number 4. On page number 4, you can see that what are the now you have understood that what is the computer. Then we will see that what are the features of the computer. That means feature means what it gives to us. That means is it faster, is it easy way to use, or it has many things to remember. That means the features of the computer. I will first of all let me tell you the first feature of the computer is it works very fast. Second one, it makes our work easy. Third one, it can remember the many things. And fourth one is it can do big calculation very fast. Another one, fifth one feature is that it does not get tired even if it works for the long time. Sixth one, it does not take the mistake. It does not make mistake. And after that, eighth one, it cannot think. Okay. First feature of the computer is that it works very fast. That means as compared to human being, it does whatever it does, it works very fast. That means if you are calculating something or if you are doing the multiplication, any kind of operation, then it will work very fast. Second feature of that computer is that it makes our work very easy. Okay. As usual, if you want to make the addition of two big numbers, you will take long time, or it will be very hard to you. But in case of computer, it will work very easily. Then it can remember many things. Third feature is that it can remember many things. Have you understood that? How it remembers? It remembers that by storing the data in the computer. That means if you are writing something in your computer and it will be stored in the computer, then it will be stored for the long time. It will remember the many things. Then the fourth one feature is that it can do big calculation very fast. As I earlier told you that it will calculate the big calculation very fast. After that, if it does not tire for the long time, if it does the work very long time, either it does for the short time or long time, it does not tire. After that, it does not make the mistake. If you are doing anything on the computer, it does not make the mistake. By human being can make the mistake, but computer cannot make mistake. Then, but one thing is that it does not do. That means computer do everything, but one thing is it does not do. That is thinking. The human being can think anything, but in case of computer does not think anything. Have you understood? Okay. Then we will revise this chapter. First of all, know that what is computer. Computer is nothing but machine which calculate different kind of operations or different kinds of tasks. Okay. After that, what are the parts of the computer? There are following parts of the computer. First one, monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, speaker, and printer. As I already told you that what are the uses of these parts. After that, the features of the computer. Okay. Have you understood everything? Okay.